Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making a very simple dish, stir-fried steak with onion. This dish only needs 3 ingredients, half pound of chuck steak, 1 red onion, and few slices of ginger. We need to cut the ginger into slices first, then julienne into strings. We are going to cut the red onion into thin strips as well. I choose red onion because it has a naturally sweet taste compared to white onion. It goes pretty well with the beef steak. Finally, we are going to cut the steak. I choose to use the chuck steak because it's well marbled, which makes it very tender when stir frying. The steaks were soaked in cold water for half hour to remove extra blood from the meat, then dried and patted before slicing. When cutting the steaks, remove the tougher part first before slicing them into thin strips. To marinate the steaks, we are using 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine. Massage the meat for about a minute till it absorbs all the liquid. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil to seal in the flavor and juice. Let the meat marinate for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. We want to make sure the pan is hot enough before putting in the oil because steaks can be cooked quickly. Put the gingers in before putting in the steaks. The sizzling sound from the meat is always a satisfying sound to hear during stir frying. The steaks can be cooked fairly quickly on high heat, so keep stir frying them until both sides are brown. To prevent the steaks from overcooking, we are going to take them out of the pan and then put in after we saute the onions. We don't need to clean the pan, so just add in the onions and start sauteing. If the pan is a little dry, then add some extra oil to help sauteing the onion. Once the onions start to turn soft, season it with some salt and black pepper and mix everything well. Finally, add the steaks back in and saute everything together for about 30 seconds. The steaks should be very tender at this point, and the onion should be somewhere between soft and crunchy. We hope you will enjoy this simple stir-fry dish. If you don't like the onion, you can replace it with bell pepper or hot peppers. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our weekly updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.